Forget everything you've ever known about adventure, romance, betrayal, and comedy, and discover it all over again. From Kenneth Branagh, the director of Henry V and Dead Again, William Shakespeare's Much Ado About Nothing.
All women shall pardon me. I will live a bachelor.
A dear happiness to women.
She's the sweetest lady that ever I looked on. Can the world buy such a jewel?
If thou dost love, fair hero, cherish it.
She shall be thine.
Shall I never see a bachelor of 80 again?
I wonder that you will still be talking, Signor Benedict. Nobody marks you.
I cannot endure my lady tongue.
I shall see thee ere I die, look pale with love.
Which of my bad parts did thou first fall in love with me?
For them all together.
Kenneth Branagh, Academy Award winner Emma Thompson, Academy Award winner Denzel Washington, Keanu Reeves, Robert Sean Leonard, Michael Keaton, and introducing Kate Beckinsale. The Samuel Goldwyn Company presents Much Ado About Nothing, the most romantic adventure of all.
There's a double meaning in that.